Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Redmi 9 Power for a safe update process. Charge the phone to at least 50% before starting an update. Connect the phone to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges during downloads. Backup photos and app data using Google Backup or a local file transfer to your PC. Check internal storage and free at least 4 GB to accommodate the update package. Confirm the exact model name and current MIUI version in settings. Close heavy apps and disable battery savers to prevent interruptions. To install an official OTA update, open Settings then About Phone then System Update. Tap Check for updates and wait while the device searches Xiaomi servers. If an update appears, review the changelog and start the download over Wi-Fi. Download the OTA over Wi-Fi and keep the phone plugged into stable power. After download, tap Install and allow the phone to reboot automatically. Do not interrupt installation. Updates typically take 10 to 20 minutes. When finished, verify the new MIUI version in About Phone. For manual updates, use recovery or fastboot tools with an official ROM file. Download the correct ROM for Redmi 9 Power. Files are often around 3.5 GB in size. Use My Flash in fastboot mode or apply update. Zip from recovery using a DB sideload. Unlocking the bootloader is required for fast boot flashing and may void warranty and erase data. Install proper USB drivers on your PC and use the original USB cable for reliable transfer. If installation
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.